The next dish that I'll be showing you features cabbage, one of my favorite ingredients over the summer months because it's in season and it's quite inexpensive to buy. Cabbage goes a long way, so you can just chop it up into a salad in no time and have a great amount of flavor. What I love about cabbage is it's really high in antioxidants and really high in fiber, so it's a great way to boost those nutrients in your everyday cooking. I love bringing this cabbage salad to a barbecue, and it's a great way to heighten the flavors of the summer months. And what I've done is I've already chopped up some of the cabbage here, but really, cabbage is best preserved in its original form. So cabbage has a great deal of nutrients, totally high in antioxidants as well, and fiber. And to best preserve those, use only the amount of cabbage that you want for the salad and save the rest for later. Cabbage is also great because it's on the lower potassium side, so it's a great vegetable to include if you're watching your potassium. And it's also great for higher fiber intakes. It's a really good one, and it has a lot of flavor. I love this green cabbage. So what I would do with the part that I don't use is I would just cover it up with saran wrap and put it in the fridge for later use. So here I've got my cabbage all chopped up, and to that I will add some green onion, some dill, and then I'll make my dressing, where I will just use, actually I can use this airtight container for that, that's perfect. Just put a little bit of cream. And you can use yogurt if you want, and a little bit of sugar, just a tiny amount. And now just mix this up. So now I'm going to add the dressing. And then put in some cucumber. And I might just get a bit creative and do a bit more lime zest on this one as well, because it smells so good and tastes so good and adds a lot of flavor. And try this squeezer this time because I want to get some of this lime juice out. And we can just top it just a tiny bit on top of our salad. And the last step is just to toss the salad a little bit. Look at the colors of this. It's just so beautiful. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, there are just so many benefits to including them in your diet, like the vitamins, the fiber, the nutrients. But they also add so much flavor to the food experience. They're such a great way to just engage your senses and all the different flavors and textures that fruits and vegetables have to offer. I hope this salad will be a hit with you and yours as much as it is at my household, and I hope you'll bring it to the next summer barbecue that you have. Thank you so much for joining me today on Plugged In. I'm Dani Renouf, and see you next time.